Sorry about that. We had a phone call. Just been practicing with my lower ultra thin from Russell Klein. Giving it a workout today with my apple. We're good. Feels good to have a full set of ultra thins. Absolutely. Right now, this very moment, I feel like I'm in heaven. I feel that good. They're very light on the gums compared to the acrylic. I do like my acrylics, but these are the bomb. These are working for Margaret. Alright, let's update on everything. Last video, I did announce that I had some rubbing. It wasn't in the trough. It was just right here, the very base of it. It was rubbing hard. So I fixed it, took a little off. I did my own adjusting with caution, little by little. Now, if you get in that time of your journey that you just have to do your own adjusting, be very careful, do it little by little. If you feel a certain way about it, that you can't do it, oh, what if I mess up? Then do not do it. Do not do it. Plain and simple. Because if you mess up, there ain't no going back. There's just no going back. You're going to have to get a new set, or it's not going to be kind. Anyway, just wanted to update real quick. I'm happy with the ultra thins. No problem here. I love how they fit, how they sit. No rubbing at all. It's like perfect. I can't express that enough. It's perfect. Now, to this very date, what products I'm using is only the CLEANADENT paste from Dr.Berland Dental Solutions. I love that paste. It's awesome for the oral care and the dentures. It's awesome. Also, what is the crystals for the sonic cleaner? I still use the sonic cleaner because it's not so much on, you know, powerful. I feel it's perfect and gentle enough for my ultra thins. I just like it. I'm not going to go try any other ultrasonic cleaner, but this is what I'm using. Yeah, the CLEANADENT crystals. They're awesome. That goes in the sonic cleaner. But yeah, that's the only products I'm using besides my mouthwash. It's the CLEANADENT crystals and the paste from Dr.Berland and the sonic cleaner. But that's really about it. I am not wearing any reline whatsoever. The PermaSoft I did wear for a few days, but I took it out as soon as I got the lower. Don't need anything right now. I'm perfect. I just ate an apple. There's nothing in my denture. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. But that's where I stand right now. Very happy with all the products I've tried. It's good to do your own trying. If you want to do a review, then go for it. It's the only way you're going to know, really. Reviews are awesome, getting other people's input. But when you actually try the product for yourself, like me, then I'll have the answer as far as my journey goes, my mouth goes, my comfort and all. So, yeah. I like all the products that I've tried. All the coupon codes are still going. I'm just saying, when it comes to the Dr. Berland's products, you don't have to order the denture kit unless you want to. That's all 4 products. You can just get one item and try. The coupon code is still going tube for 20% off. And all the other great products that I tried. PermaSoft, ProSoft, Comfortline Adhesive, of course Denture Fit. They all rock. To me, they all rock. And also, real quick, it's good to know what can be used when you do try the products. You have the answer for yourself. Say the product that's online, that you can only buy online, runs out. Then I know what product I can go to until I get the refill, the restock on it. So it's good to try other things that are in the market. That way you'll know, and you can have it in your cabinet. It's good to have stock up, back up. Anyway, I'm going to get off here. Enjoy the rest of my Sunday. I will see everyone tomorrow on Denture Talk. We will be on. So hope you join me. Love each and every one of you. And I'm out of here. Bye.